Say hi, Levi. Say hi, Levi. Say Austin said hi, Levi. Say
I
Austin
said,
said hi,
I
Levi.
did. I thought you were a little girl for a second. I got scared.
Yeah, that whenever I see people from a distance, it scares me because we're so bright because
I
of the
know.
horse. I already got 2 Rubik's cubes.
How did you find more than one?
3! I have 3 Rubik's cubes. Look, 1, 2, 3.
I have 3.
Give me those back. And they all weigh 0 pounds. That's amazing. Bro. No, we're gonna get jumped by a Rubik's Cube, bro. What? What? Yo, wait, we're about to get killed by a Rubik's Cube, bro.
What?
Okay.
No.
Alright, we're fucked, bro. Oh, bro, I swear.
What?
Dude.
If there's another Rubik's Cube in here, bro.
If there's another Rubik's Cube, bro. I think I'm just gonna have to kiss somebody.
Shotgun.
There's no way we find another Rubik's Cube ever.
We're in the shotgun room. We have 7 Rubik's Cubes. One more,
I can't
and we
fit
have.
another. Can't fit a shotgun in my inventory.
Neither can I.
I got too much Rubik's Cubes for that.
There's a key. We don't need a shotgun.
Yeah, we need the Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, we need the Rubik's Cubes.
Alright, somebody's clipping this right now.
I'll clip this so we find an 8. And I'll put it on. I'll put it on the tube.
Yo. And dude, I knew it from the beginning, bro. I found 2 Rubik's Cubes in a row. I knew it was a sign. Was that just a Rubik's Cube room?
I know, we gotta go back to that hallway. I think there were more doors.
Yeah, we gotta go back up those stairs.
Where are the stairs? Like here.
Bro.
What? Wait, we gotta lay them all out. Lay them all out.
Wait, hold on. What?
Dude!
Bro. Yo!